Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
A surprising tool to help autofill a series of values, complete a series. For example, let me just give you a quick example. You can go here, notice here, we have this green arrow. If you want to enter a consecutive set of numbers, let's say you want to hit 1 through 25, you can go 1, go back to the number 1, grab the green box and just drag down. Here it just listed 1 28 times. Now that's probably not what you want. Excel needs to see a pattern. It's generally you hit 1, 2, 3, highlight the 3, then drag down. There you go. You can do the same with, let's say, January, February. Sometimes this works. Don't rely on this 100%. That works. You can try 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. I doubt if this will work. It's unpredictable. I don't put any weight on this particular technique. I generally just enter it personally. I like to just hit 1 and then equals 1 plus this particular number, or 1. I can do the same thing by hitting Control down or fill down. Just hit fill down and you're going to accomplish the same thing. Now here's the only thing you need to do. You're going to have to hit copy, paste special. Otherwise the formula will stay there. If you leave a formula there and you add a row, it's going to blow up your technique. So for example, if you enter 1 and then equals B1 plus 1, copy down, Control D, and then hit enter. If you insert a row, then hit F9 to recalculate. The old style, this would break. With the new algorithm, it seems to have figured it out. Either technique will work.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime, out. Williams out.